Hey everyone, one notable innovator in the 2024 budget projector industry is the TouYinger Q12W. It has grown in favor as a dependable option for home entertainment because it is made to provide outstanding performance at a reasonable cost. Let's examine this projector's features and what makes it an appealing choice. A brightness of 1200 ANSI lumens is advertised for the Q12W, and tests support this figure. The projector's remarkable brightness makes for a sharp and colorful viewing experience, whether in total darkness or in a well-lit space. Its closed optical system keeps dust from building up inside the instrument, ensuring lifespan and less maintenance. When paired with the vibrant colors and crisp image clarity, it creates a satisfying visual experience. 64 gigs of inbuilt storage, 2 gigs of RAM, and Android 12 are all features of the gadget. Users can install programs or stream material directly without an external device thanks to these features, which facilitate seamless operation. With adjustable brightness, color temperature, and sound profile options, the user interface is simple. This degree of customization in a low-cost projector is a welcome surprise. The Q12W has three 10-watt speakers for music, providing a powerful audio experience to go along with its visual capabilities. Even at higher volumes, there is no discernible distortion, and the loudness is enough for the majority of indoor situations. Furthermore, the fan's noise levels may be changed to accommodate various settings, such as a louder, brighter setting for intense movie evenings or a quieter one for casual viewing. The projector's construction is noteworthy. It has a robust, rather heavy design with an efficient cooling system. This guarantees that the projector won't overheat while operating for prolonged periods of time. A useful addition that emphasizes attention to detail is the lens cover, which protects the optics. To accommodate different input requirements, connectivity choices include HDMI, USB, Ethernet, and a 3.5mm audio connector, with features like autofocus and keystone correction that can be manually or automatically adjusted for exact alignment. Setup is simple. Sharp and detailed images are produced by the projector, which can handle input up to 4K and downscale it to its native Full HD quality. Even in the presence of ambient light, Q12W demonstrated strong color integrity and crisp visual details when tested with popular 4K content, including vibrant nature documentaries. Its capacity to project up to 100 inches of screen size at a 3-meter distance is another noteworthy feature, making it perfect for small and medium-sized spaces. Whether viewed in normal room lighting or in complete darkness, the hues and brightness stayed the same. Minor drawbacks of the TouYinger Q12W include sporadic interface translation errors. However, these are insignificant in comparison to its total capabilities. It is a low-cost projector that delivers quality and functionality usually found in more expensive projectors. The Q12W is a dependable and adaptable partner whether you're watching YouTube videos, gaming, or throwing a movie night. It is a formidable competitor in the market for low-cost projectors because of its capacity to produce crisp images and captivating audio without going over budget. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.